In the heart of the Alps, where silence breathes between the peaks, a journey begins. But first, we must descend to where it all starts. At the foot of the mountain, near the still waters of the Agency, 4 companions, bound by friendship and a thirst for altitude, step into the unknown. A waterfall roars beside the trail, fierce, untamed, and full of motion. Nature's power on full display. They stand along the trail like ancient guardians. Their bells ringing softly with each slow, deliberate step, watching, waiting, timeless. Peaks above don't speak, but they listen. They measure those who pass in silence. They rise like ancient gods, unmoved, unforgiving. The first shelter appears like a promise. Dalfaser Alm. A moment to breathe, to take it in. But the trail leads on. Eyes set on the Erfurter Hütte. But they have to pause again, letting the mountain take what the climb has claimed. Above them, the peaks remain unmoved, knowing they're not done yet. Then they return to view, bound for the hut. Evening falls with laughter and clinking glasses. Stories are shared as time softens outside. For a moment, the mountain allows warmth. Then comes the stillness, a hush across the ridgelines. The world holds its breath. Somewhere far above, light begins to move. The peaks catch it first. Then the sky answers. From stone to sky, light ascends, and with it, all things rise. Dawn doesn't rush. The path now points to the ROFANSPITZE. They press forward, each step heavier, each glance higher. The air thins. Boots bite into stone. No words now, only the climb. The focus sharpens. One of them stops and points. A dark shape looms in the distance, carved against the sky. A jagged crown inside the clouds. And at the top, the world stands still. The summit is now behind them. But the trail keeps moving on, and so must they. The trail becomes a line of stone, suspended above the world. Above is silence. Below lurks the death. and in between, they move forward. Alone in the vastness, it waits. Weathered, empty, still holding shape. A hut long since left behind. By hands, by voices, by time. As if sharing space with memory. They leave the hut behind, swallowed by mist. The valley offers no view, just intention. But now, the final peak appears. The descent begins, steep, unforgiving. Every step calculated. Every glance drawn to the drop. But the rhythm returns. The body remembers. They move like shadows over stone. Careful, but free. The journey is over. You don't conquer a mountain, you offer it something. And if it accepts, it keeps it. A part of them now lives where the sky begins.
hebben het overleefd, jongens.